A huge first half kontra sa San Beda, kaya lang kinapos sa second half.
Pero yung sinasabi mo nga, players to watch. On the
Segundo ang natitira sa shot clock. Calvo umatake. Calvo, linabas ang bola ng Batak. Tumira mula sa kanto. First half, napulot ni Acueti ang bola. Binigay dito kay Coronel. Back to Mr. Brightside for the throwdown.
And that's what Bright can give you. Simula pa lang, pero rock the house na kagad itong si Bright Acueti. We will see kung yung
Ni Bright Acueti. Somebody put that on Instagram.
to admire the activity nitong si Bright Acueti. Talagang atat siya bumawi. Especially pinag-usapan natin siya nung pregame. Narinig niya ata.
Luib. Lead pass. Basket is good para kay Jack Pampio.
Yan ang signature style nitong Letran Knights. Tumakbo ng tumakbo kahit wala sila.
Laban sa pagitan ng Knights Batak. Umatras ng Batak asking for a clear out. Ng Batak decides to fire. He's taking matters in green. Luib. Inside pass to Apreku. Calvo from the corner. JP Calvo goes baseline. Throws it out to Luib. Who gives it up to Nambatak? Nambatak with another 3.
The other team. Sabi nga niya, just execute the play properly and we'll be fine for this game.
Winning tradition in the collegiate level. With this guy, Ray Nambatak, who comes up with a steal. That was a hard foul, but somehow the Stingray is able to put it up and in.
Natatawa na lang itong si Sting. Get that foul, pero hindi pa ganun kalakas yun. Natira.
Dagangon, binigay kay Coronel. Coronel flips it up and in.
That is also the Bright Acueti effect. Itong si Jong Solian, hindi makapag-help. Kasi nga, kung umelp siya doon, may
So have Roxanne Montealegre at courtside. Now, Mikey, pinatunayan. Gives it up to Dagangon. Dagangon, sinabas dito kay Sigontico. Sigontico, out to Dagangon for 3. Got Dagangon! Nambatak shoots over Eze. Are you kidding me?
minsan lang mabukas. Itong si Nambatak, minsan lang makita yung ring. Naishoot pa niya yun over the outstretched arms of Prince Eze. Kaya lang.
One more quarter to go dito sa ating unang laban na yung Bearnest. This is the first of 3 exciting. Dagangon, down low to Acueti. 2 seconds to go. Pido fires for 3. Keith Pido with a huge triple.
Keith Pido can be consistent with that shot. Kita-kita to si Bright Acueti nakangiti. Because
Nambatak. Acueti falls down to the delight of the crowd. And Ray Nambatak just stung Bright Acueti.
minsan di ko na naiintindihan paano pa nasi-shoot itong si Ray Nambatak. Ang bola, medyo napayungan na siya doon. Pero yung depensa ni Bright Acueti doon, binura ang layup ni Calvo.
And what about the offense of Keith? Gives it up to Dagangon. Now they get Brightside underneath, and Mr. Brightside is able to score.
All they need to do is give Mr. Brightside that ball. Easier said than done, of course. Kasi dinay ito ni Jong Soliano. Pero pag nakakuha ng ganyan,
Dagangon, inaatrasan si Nambatak. Dagangon fades away. Gab Dagangon, a big-time shot.
nakita niya doon yung height advantage niya over Ray Nambatak. So talagang tumalon lang.
Check the replay. Somebody just said, nagwapo ka. AJ Coronel is able to score a big-time shot.
And what recognition doon para sa Perpetual. Nakita nila na ito nga si JP Calvo was all the way at the other end of the floor with
Acueti gives it up to Coronel. Coronel with a fast break layup.
and the big stop doon para sa Perpetual and a big conversion para dito kay Coronel who has really stepped up dito sa ating fourth quarter.
A huge
San Beda, Letran, Arellano, and now Perpetual will join that group.
Once again, the final score 61-55. Ginulat.
To watch the latest game highlights, subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.